customizing Vans for a 1-year-old. Alright guys, so the shoes are all done, and I think they came out pretty good. They are a Skull and Bones custom with the name of the 1-year-old all over the shoe. Make sure to follow my Instagram along with the Shoe Guard's Instagram, link down in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And even if you didn't, just do it anyways, and subscribe. Bye. And I'm not going to do the whole jumping thing because obviously the shoes don't fit me there for a toddler or baby wear. And they're literally a size 6 and like kids, babies. So obviously not going to do the jump thing, but I hope you guys enjoy the video anyways. And like I said in previous, give it a thumbs up, blah-de-da-de-da, whatever. And yeah, bye.